Welcome to day 3 of the 12 days of baked goods, and today we're going to be making these holiday Rice Krispie treats. We're going to start with our Rice Krispie treat, and then we're going to just cut out these Mickey shapes. You're also going to need some chocolates. You can use royal icing as well, or candy melts, and some popsicle sticks. I'm going to be dipping these faces for the gingerbread man. You can always put your popsicle sticks in before this step or after. I did it after, but you can always do it before. So these are going to be in the light brown, and then I'm going to dip 2 into the red. I just wanted to share some variety and share these 2 designs. Once the chocolate has hardened, I'm going to do a green drizzle on the red, and then I'm going to put some sprinkles on the green parts. You can go overload on this, or you could do little by little and just get precise with how the sprinkles land on the green stripes. Then we're going to start piping out the face for these gingerbread ones. So with some green royal icing, I'm just making the little design in the ears. And then with black royal icing, I'm going to make the eyes, nose, and the mouth. Then I'm going to add some red for the cheeks on the end of the mouth. And finally, some white for the detailing in the eye and the nose. And here are the holiday Mickey treats. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. And until next time, happy holidays and stay sweet!